Good morning, grade 8. So today is Tuesday morning. No, Wednesday morning. Wednesday morning. So I just want to let you know what your work is for today. So on PowerSchool Learning, you're going to see this slideshow. So what you're going to do is all the instructions are on it. You're going to find out today what did the U.S. government do to try to help the country get out of the Great Depression. So on slide number 2, you will see the instructions for the day. Okay, so So what I want you to do is, first of all, read through the slides. You're going to need to take some notes. So in your notebook, create a title for today's notes. You can call make the title the New Deal. Follow the instructions on these slides. There's a video embedded that I want you to look at. So not videos, but just a video. Okay, and you'll have to do some specific things in the slides. So you'll do that in your notes. Okay, the one part you have to make a chart, and I want you to fill that in. It's really important that you know this material for tomorrow's class when we wrap it up. Okay, and then at the end you're going to film a monologue, and I'll go through that in just a moment, and then you're going to submit that monologue to PowerSchool Learning. Please remember that tomorrow we have a Zoom. It's the last lesson on the Great Depression. You need to know today's info for that one. So here are the times for them. Okay. Also, you need to bring novels and your packets back by Friday, so you can start dropping those off already today. Okay, that would be great. All right, so let me go to the last slide. So you're going to click through these, right? You're just going to read through all this stuff, and then here's what you need to do at the end. So here's the chart that you need to create. That should be in your notebooks. Okay, and then here's your task. You need to create a 90-second, 60 to 90-second monologue. So you're speaking just like I am doing right now. You can use Screencast-O-Matic. You can use iMovie if you want, whatever. And you're going to tell what the New Deal is. You're going to tell the difference between relief, recovery, and reform. And you're going to give an example of each one. And you'll know what that is as you read through the slideshow, and then submit it to PowerSchool Learning. Okay, so that is the instructions for today. And we'll see you tomorrow in our Zooms. All right, bye-bye.